Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are here to an interesting batch which is nothing but advanced formulas. So this is also going to be the prerequisite for our advanced admin certification. If you need solution for any of these challenges, playlist will be available in our channel. Do check that. Let's take up our first challenge now, which is use basic logic in checkbox formulas. So once if you launch your playground, let's click on this gear icon followed by setup. So guys, here I'm just going to object manager and in quick find search for opportunities. So once if you get the result, click on opportunity, and if you scroll down you will find validation rules right over here. Click on it followed by new, and here we are just going to paste this formula right over in error condition formula. So I'll provide this formula in our comment section. Do check that. Let's copy our rule name now, which is close date alert, and paste it over here. So once if it is done, scroll down and click on check syntax. We shouldn't get any errors right over here. So here it shows no errors found. And now come back and copy this error message and paste it right over here. So guys, once if it is done, click on save, and that's all about this challenge. Let's go back and click on check challenge. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed our first challenge. Remaining challenges will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.